Okay folks, this is Ray out here and the black flies are terrible tonight. He is putting a cover up, but we're turning it into a hothouse. He calls it his high tunnel, which haha, that's so funny. You want to see a high tunnel, you need to go to Neil's Homestead. They got some nice high tunnels over there. But anyways, we're going to put some pepper plants underneath here, and this is a surprise to me because I had suggested we do this because the deer jumped the fence last year and got into a lot of my pepper plants. So you can see underneath almost the middle of this is some blueberry bushes that aren't doing well, that's been here for about 4 years. They need to be transplanted because the soil is too rich for them. I do see a few blossoms on the blueberries though. But anyways, I'll bring you back when there's more going on and more to show you. Ray, do you have anything you want to add?
Nope.
Did you hear that? A man of many words. That's quite the shot I got here. I thought you'd bet out a different angle there, Bob. There you go.
How about that?
How about that?
Whew.
So you're putting nuts and bolts in right now.
Oh yeah, I don't want it to come apart on us.
No, you don't want it to come apart. And how high will this be, Ray? About 5 feet, 5.5 feet?
No.
No?
I don't know. High as the other one.
Oh, okay. All right, well, we'll bring you back.
We got 6, 8 feet.
Ray's getting ready to put this in. It's called wiggle wire right there.
Right here.
Well,
there ain't no plastic. We're not ready for that. But I just wanted to show you. This is the channel, for no better word, for the wiggle wire. This is really handy because you can put the wiggle wire in here and the plastic, and then if it's not quite tight enough, I can show you here in a moment, you can remove the wire and you can redo it. That's kind of, it comes in very handy. Okay.
So this is called wiggle wire.
And then just like that. Just go right back and forth, just like that.
And we use this in our greenhouse that we had.
Just like that.
Yeah, and it was really easy. You could put the frame and put that up, and it went up really quick for your plastic cooker that doesn't hit me in the eye.
And most of the time too, what I do too, like if I'm putting it on, I just put it on about this much, and then I stop. And then I go to another corner, and then I put it on about that much and stop. That way, if it starts to come out a little bit uneven or not quite right, I can stop, unhook it, as I'm doing right here, see, just like that. And then I can pull it, and I can redo it, and then put it right back in again.
See how quick that is, folks?
Just like this, I get it going. Just like that. And it works very well.
Snaps right in, called wiggle wire.
Wiggle wire.
I believe when we bought it, that's what they called it, Ray, wasn't it?
I think so. Whoops, I'm sorry. I don't really know how much it is.
I don't know. It's been years.
But it's very handy, and it's better than, you put the white strips on, and then you put it on. If it don't come out just right, you're that's the way it is.
Right. Ray, how big is this structure here? Do you remember?
I really don't know. I just put a tape measure down.
Nope, that's okay. I'm just wondering. We got blueberry bushes down there we're going to be moving.
Just in between each post is about, it's a little bit more than 6 feet between each one.
6
so
feet
1,
between
2, 3,
each one.
4. It's got to be at least 25 feet long.
About 25 feet long, the structure here.
By, I forgot, 8 feet. A little bit more than 8 feet, people. Heading towards 9 feet.
9 feet. So about 25 by 9 or 25 by 10. They probably rounded off.
No, 9.
No, by 9. Okay.
It's 9.
And this is a really nice structure, and we'll bring you back when we get some plastic going and you can see what it's going to be. And we are growing our peppers inside this year. We're doing a whole different twist to our garden.
This is the channel that the greenhouse plastic will go on. I'll show you the wiggle wire in just a moment. I'm going to fasten it right onto the post, just like this. Just gonna drill a hole and bolt it on.
Now, Ray, let me ask you a question. How did you secure the bottom of the legs?
Okay, the legs, I took a part of a T-fence. Let me
But
see
can you
this.
explain it? Okay, hold on.
Okay, Brenda asked how did I fasten it to the ground. There are 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 posts. And every one of them has this is a T-post right here. It's a T-post. I cut it off, I don't know, 30 inches. Okay, I tried to get the white post level, and I pounded the T-post into the ground, and then you can see the clamp right there.
What's that clamp called? Just a plain clamp? Or
Just
I
don't know, that would be like a pipe clamp, I guess you'd call it. And I tried to get it underneath one of the knobs here, like right there, right in here. I guess my hand's in the way, I'm sorry people. There's a little knob there. I just wanted to get it in there. Don't need this thing to blow away on us. So that's nice and sturdy. I'm moving it and you can't even tell.
And you got 10 of those because there's 5
Right,
on each side.
because there's 5 on each side. And I did it to all of them. Like I said, I do not need this thing to blow away when it's open, and it will be open in the summertime. And you never know, we get a windstorm or something. So that'll very well connect it to the ground.
Okay, folks, here it is. It's all done. The plastic is up. Doesn't that look good? We may use some lattice work on the back. Just the whole purpose was to try to keep the deer out. But hey, they'll go right through that fence like they did over in the corner. So if you like this video, please give us a thumbs up. You never know what's going to be on my videos. God bless. Have a good night. Stay safe. Bye now. Okay, Ray is putting dirt right now. This is our cover-up that we're using for our peppers. He's laid the plastic, and on the sides, he's already got it bolted down, as you saw. He's putting soil now up against it. Oh, you got something planted right there.
I know.
Okay. I almost stepped. I'm right in the middle of rows here.
And it would have been much easier, people. It's much easier to do this before you plant, by the way.
Yes, it is. But we planted, and this was a last-minute thought. So
I'm just filling it in. I dug a trench, and I put the greenhouse plastic right down into the trench. And now I'm just filling it up. That way I don't have to run anything along here. I'm just gonna bury it in. I guess it'll work.
I think we got to replant.
I guess it'll work. I really don't know.
The carrots are getting a pounding here by accident. Those are little hairs coming up there. It's kind of hard because we planted, and this was a last minute thought here. But we just wanted to share this to go with a video that he made. So stay tuned because there's more to come. Ray, do you have anything you want to add?
Nope, I'm just trying to uncover the poor carrot.
Okay, poor carrots got hit hard with soil.
A good